Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to create some tutorial video about how to manage online and offline database with Flutterflow, and then in this time I'm still using Firebase and Appstate as a offline database and Firebase or Firestore as a online database. Yes, I have like this video about the offline database, but I think I will updating the technology, and I think yes, of course I will be put the link of the project in the description below, so you can easily to copy paste the component or the widget or everything to your own project, and I hope will be easier. So I will start with the demo. As you see, right now I'm using the Flutterflow with the desktop version, and I'm using the desktop version because I want to using the local run, which I can be able to running my local device, and will be making easier to deploy some application with the offline and online feature. And I'm running on my Android device, as you can see. But to making this is more easier, I already mirroring my phone and showing into my Mac. And as you see, will be look like the normal things on the application, which I put some text widget to describe we are in which situation, in this case an online situation or offline situation, which if I turn off the internet connection from my phone, will be become offline, and when I am turn on again, will be back to online. And in the online condition, I will creating a new collection. In this case, I will pretend to add a new customer, and I put some picture. Put the name, phone number, and create customer. It will be look like the normal things, and we successfully insert the collection into firestore. As you can see, there is some new collection, and but the thing is, when I turn off the internet connection from my phone, so it become offline, and when I created the new customer again, I want to this is still store into database, but in this case, or if we are in the offline condition, which I have no internet connection. Second, this time. Will be still stored in the database, but in this case is in the offline database. So I also have one more tab or one more page, and this is to store the data when we are in the offline condition. So as you can see, I have one data, which is actually stored in the Appstate, right? And if I click the list tile, or if I click the list, this will be verify if we are in the online condition or offline condition. If we already in the online condition, so we could be store the data into firestore. But because as you can see, we are still in the offline condition, we cannot do that. And I will turn on the connection. and I click this view and I click confirm. So the data it's supposed to be stored in the online database. As you can see now Putra it's already in the firestore. So and how I can create these things, I will show how. But again, if you guys want to replicate the project, I already shared the link on the description below. And first thing first, uh, because we are store something into storage or file store storage, so make sure you already turn on the authentication things, and already create some page to handle that things to sign in and sign up. And after that, I already create for the profile page, but it's just to to be able to log out. And after you create the login page and turn on the authentication, of course you will create the collection, which at least the user collection. And after that, in my case, I create the customer collection, which this is the fields inside the customer collection. And after that, we gonna talking about the online and offline feature, which I already showed to you guys. To handling that, I created some custom action with this package. This custom code, I already mentioned about one Appstate called connected, which you guys also create this Appstate. And the logic is first thing first, I just try to pinging the google.com. If I have some replay, I updated the Appstate, the connected Appstate, which is this is a boolean, right, with a true value. But if I haven't got any response from Google, so I update the Appstate with a false condition. And after that, as you see before, I have some text widget, and for the value of the text widget, I set up for the condition, looking for the Appstate value, the connected Appstate value. If the Appstate value, the connected Appstate value is true, so the text will be online and else will be offline. And also I set up for the coloring, so it will be green if in the online condition, but it will become red if the font is on the offline condition. So after we are finished about the offline and online condition, we are gonna talking about the storing data on the offline condition, which in this case, first thing first, I created the data type, which is this is the data type, the customers. And in this case, I create with this field. And in this time, I'm not creating picture with image path data type, but I create from the string data type, because of when I create a new field, there is no option to there is option to image path, but in this case we gonna talking about offline condition, but because we are on the offline condition, we cannot summon the URL or internet thing. So I change this is to string, and actually I store the value with the base64 format. So after that, after I'm creating the data type, so I create some Appstate called customer offline, and in this time I'm in the for the data type. This is from the data type with data type inside, and you need to choose the customers and checklist for the list. So this is will be look like this. Data type, and for data type you choose the data type that you have created and check for is list, and you need to check for persisted. So persisted is about to restore the data when you are rerun the project. So it's mean you will hold or you will keep the data uh, keep the data when the application is closed. And after you created the app stat based on the app stat customers, you need to create this text field with the condition that I tell to you guys. And after that, I create a list view with the firestore collection as usual. And inside the list view, I create some container, and the thing is when I create some or I add some collection, this is will be showing the bottom set, and in this bottom set when you click for this hero image, which is we can upload the picture. So instead of normally we are upload data into firestore, right? So in this case I choose for the local upload for the type, and then when I click for the create customer, I check for the connection. Is this a true or false? But if you guys want to make sure the connection is updating when the bottom sheet show, you can also summon for the custom connection and put it into first action. And I try to check the condition, is it online or offline. And when it's online, first thing first, I upload the file image into firestore, and I will get the output value, and then I create the collection with that output value of my image. I store the picture fields and telling it successfully added, and bottom set will be closed. But if we are on the offline condition, the thing is I will update the app stat. You guys need to choose add to list, and after that you choose for the data type and add the field like name, font, and the special things is when you choose the picture field, you need to convert, right? You need to convert from the file into a base64, because you remember I select the string as the data type to store the picture, because we are using the Appstate, right? And in the Appstate there is no option to choose the image path or even though the file type. So I converting the file into base64, as you can see, and storing this to the Appstate. After that, showing the snack bar, offline data created, and bottom sheet dismiss. And after that, I have creating the offline page, which is will be stored the Appstate actually from the customer offline Appstate. And for the list view, because will be show the Appstate, so we're not gonna using the backend query, but we are gonna using this generating widget. So you just put the name, whatever you want, and for the value you need to select from the Appstate and item in list and confirm. And for the value, you just need to select from the get Appstate item and index and in list, and I'm sorry, data starter field, and then just choose the field. And after that, we're going to talking about this this custom widget. So as you know, we are now using the base64, right, to storing for the offline database. So in this case, I cannot be able to using the default image widget from the Flutterflow to showing the image. And so I created some custom widget called a Memoryimage widget. And for this custom widget, I set up for the parameter, which is this is string, or this is will be parsing the base64 value into the custom widget. And then I'm using this to showing the base64, and I encode to the image. So that's the simple widget, very simple widget. And because we are in the custom code, we're talking about base64 upload path. When we click one of item from the list view, we're gonna synchronize us. We are gonna do the synchronization things, right? And first thing first, I check for the connection. If we are still on the offline condition, I'm gonna show for the UR offline snack bar. But if we are back to the online condition, I will show the confirm dialog. And if the dialog is confirmed, first thing first, I will upload the image. I will upload the image into the firestore, and we'll get the return value of the image path. But in this case, because we are using string, I need some custom action to upload the string value into the firestore, right? So I created this custom action. So in order to using this custom action, you need to allow, or you need to modify the firestore storage rule. But this is the logic. You just in short, we just upload into our firestore that have connected into my Flutterflow on the setting, of course. And about the rule of the firestore, we need to allow for the firestore. Oh, I'm sorry, I mean the storage. We need to allow for the right condition. So for the right, we need to give the true value. So we can use that custom widget, this one. So after we are uploading the string, which is that -64 into firestore, and after that we just need to create the collection as usual. Creating document, choose the collection name, and then for name we choose from the gen Appstate item, which is this is the configuration from this one. And we choose for the name fields, and also with font. But for the picture, we gonna using the custom action value, which is this is from the action output, this one, right? And after that, I will remove the Appstate, because we just successfully store into the online database, right? After that, I will show the snack bar with the data uploaded. So that will be look like that. I think that's it. I hope you guys understand what I'm talking about. And as usual, if you guys have any comment or anything that related to this video or Flutterflow, just feel free to asking me on the comment section, or just connect it into my LinkedIn or my social media. And thank you guys for watching this video.